All right. Godrej Consumers posted a subdued fourth quarter, numbers in line with estimates. Profits up 12.7% at about 266 crores. Shilpa caught up with the management, Adi Godrej, the chairman at the group, and also Vivek Gambhir, the MD at GCPL. They sounded optimistic going ahead. Listen in.
I think clearly the numbers actually mask what has been a very strong quality of growth. So we are very pleased with our operating performance because we've gained share in all the categories. We're going ahead of the market and we're significantly investing for the future with a very strong innovation-led strategy. Clearly there were some issues that we faced largely because of the adverse impact of currency depreciation, which is very difficult to control. So in that sense, the numbers may have been a little bit below expectations because of the currency depreciation, but on the whole, what gives us a lot of comfort is that the operating performance was very strong. Growth in the Indian FMCG sector is gradually recovering, so we are poised to deliver even better results this year.
Most of the analysts were quite positive about the results. There were a couple who were a little negative, but most were quite positive.
And sir, the Met Department has predicted weak monsoons this year, which might affect the FMCG sector. What do you have to say about that? Do you, considering that there's also 50% chance of El Nino?
Well, our rural demand actually in the January-March quarter, despite the unseasonal early rains in the north, grew faster than our urban sales. And if you look at the prediction for the monsoon, while the Met Department has predicted us a little below normal monsoon, SkyMet, the private agency, who was more right on the prediction of the monsoon last year than the Met Department, has predicted a normal monsoon. So we'll wait and watch. But we feel our demand should continue to accelerate forward, as has happened in the last 3 quarters.
And you are expanding your presence in the African market in a great way, looking at a number of acquisitions. So for the coming fiscal, how much revenue do you expect from there, and what's your target?
Our Africa business this last year reached about close to 1,000 crores. So it's been scaling up very nicely. Last year we saw about a 23% growth in local currency terms in Africa. So the business continues to do very well. There are certainly some geopolitical challenges which are inherent in some of the geographies we are in. But overall, we feel very optimistic that Africa will be a big game changer for us and we will see continued momentum in the Africa business.
All right, take a break. On the other side, there seems to be no let up to the boiling mat